but soon to be Magnetic North Adventures. So very soon there will be a change on the channel, and this logo will be black and white, and it will just say Magnetic North and Adventures at the bottom there. So yeah, that will be going ahead very soon. The channel will be staying exactly the same, and I will be adding more to it as well. So just so you know, the update, that is what will be happening. It doesn't change the channel, it just is a change of name to basically show the other things that we're going to be doing. So I hope everyone's well, and today is going to be a magnet fishing adventure with Gavin. Well, on site, it's a cold day, very cold day. Yeah, seeing my breath. And just down here, there's a lot of ice, and there's still a bit of increased water. So as you can see, down the sides, sheet ice. So we've moved location. We wasn't getting anything at the last one. Couple of casts. Just got that huge pin out. Got this early pipe with a brass tap on it. Some drill bits, some general tools, a scaff clamp. Gavin! Cannonball Kid!
Got one.
Nice one. That's alright.
Yep.
And I'm fishing down that end. And I've had some big plate metal, things like that. So we've had a couple of more casts, general bars, nuts, bolts. We've got some plastic waste come up as well, that's always a bonus. Bits of pipes, random pieces. And down here I've got these two discs which I'll clean. Big fence pin, an iron poker there, just there, that's going to be about 1890, 1900, and then a big piece of plate metal. So this is where we're fishing. It's quite blocked up at the moment, but we've got this expanse of water. We have got this tree line, but once we get past this tree line, we can fish this area here. So we're going to give that a go, see what happens. As you can see, folks, the sun is coming out now, so it's starting to warm up. Current temperature is +1 degree Celsius. So Gavin's had a few more bits out. Don't know what they are, random bits of metal, some rebar. We're getting a lot of these metal punch discs, some pipes, magnet rock, drainage pipes, random bits and pieces. It's not bad at all so far. So I've just cast out, and you can't really see because of the angle, but just there, hanging in the tree. Treed it! So magnet fishing at its best. I've just caught this tree. Treed it. Haha, I'll get it back. Few casts, got a file there, bit of a chisel, this metal piece. Just down here, salvaged some brass copper bit. I had 1 ball, 2 ball, 3. That's 3 cannonballs, Team Kratos. General plate metal, nuts, bolts, spikes, nails, screws, your general scrap, all in. A few other bits. We've got this large damaged railway link just there. That's going to be 1920s. Just down here we've got a large sledgehammer. Anything pre-1950 on that one. Yet again, it's another item. It's cool. A few other bits. We've got this lightweight hammer. We've got this piece, which is a builder's surveyor's line. That's going to be 1950s, 60s, maybe a bit before. Got this one, small horseshoe, or from a boot, not sure which, but it does look like a small horseshoe. A magnetic 10p, standard currency. Let's have a look what date. I actually can't make out the date on it, but there's the Queen's head on it. Oh, there's the date. It's a bit far gone. No, I can't make it out. Gavin had that one. A larger cannonball and a small cannonball. So he's back onto it. And just had this out. Part of a motor holder full of copper wire. Just there, look. Scrapman will be happy with that. So just come in just now. We've just got another cannonball. But if you look on that, look at that sharp spike. Please be careful when you go to take them off, because quite easily you could grab that, not seeing that spike in excitement, and that's an injury straight away. So when they do come in, just be very careful. So that's cool. Okay, so it had to happen, didn't it? Gavin's got a scaffold clamp, and again there's lots more generic scraps there. This is all the scraps so far that we've had. 2 bags worth there. And then this large split drain pipe top. That's going to be very early, it's heavy. So there we are. Area we've just been, that's been washed down. And just there, that's all the scrap. And that's about to be loaded up, all that. But there we are, that's all the scrap just there. That'll be loaded in a moment. And yeah, that's another day. So as soon as Scrapman's there, I'll film that as well. And we had that starter motor there as well. That's again going to scrap. These big bars, things like that. This one here, quite modern, it's got a carrying strap on it. Obviously we've got our bin bags down there as well. So Gavin's just come by. So the importance of checking your metal as it comes out. Gavin's pulled this old bolt out. The actual bolt is a J bolt and a plate. You often see them on air raid shelters and sheds, but look what's attached to it. There's actually jewellery of some sort. Don't know what metal it is. Gavin's gonna have to clean it. Could be brass, could be gold, we just don't know. But look at that. There's a nice little charm there, look. Just there. Don't know. Write your comments below what you think. Brass, gold, costume or real? Let us know. We'd love to know what you think. But once we know, we'll update at a later date. So this area here has been very, very kind to us this year, and yep, we've enjoyed fishing that. So as you can see, that bit's clean as well. So these are both locations that we fished today.
Afternoon all.
So Gavin's had a good day, I've had a good day, and we've enjoyed it.
Yep, another successful trip.
And look at that weather, beautiful and sunny, and yep, we're going to definitely come back to this spot again. And there is a lot of metal, so on the next time I'm going to invite more people to this particular spot as well, so others get to enjoy it. Right, so folks, I would like to have some more people at this location, so if you do want to fish with me and Gavin, let us know, and we can maybe sort something out. We'll see if somebody wants to invite us to another area as well. That would be nice, it gets us out, but we've only got this month, so time's quite short. I'm going to USA in May, that's going to be my focus for the Trash for Cash in Tennessee, May 2024. So from me at Lee, Magnetic North Adventures, and from
me at Magnetic North Adventures.
So that's what it's going to be, but for now, from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing, bye for now everyone.
It's goodbye from me and it's goodbye from Lee.
So Scrapman's here now. Scrap's getting loaded up now as well. I'll just show you that in a moment. I'm just going to help him clear the scrap. Scrap's loaded. Area washed down. There we go. Just how we like it.